Welcome to SMTP. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about email traffic forensics. We are going to download PCAP file which contains MS Outlook email traffic and then analyze the content of that file. So first we are going to talk a little bit about simple mail transfer protocol SMTP. It is a protocol used for sending and receiving email messages over the internet. SMTP operates on port 25 by default, but other ports such as 587 and 465 may also be used. SMTP uses a set of commands and responses to transfer email messages between clients and servers. SMTP is a plain text protocol. This is important. Data transmitted between clients and servers is not encrypted by default. Okay, so this is the thing we need to look for. So for SMTP, for secure email transmission, SMTP over SSL or TLS or star TLS. The SSL secure socket layer and TLS, which stands for transport layer security, are cryptographic protocol that provide secure communication over the internet. SSL is the predecessor of to TLS and is no longer considered secure. So let's first try to download our SMTP simple example, which is on Wikishort's capture simple capture package URL. So let's go over there. You can see the URL over here. I will also add under the description of my video the link, and over here you need to download this file over here, smtp.pcap, smtp simple example. You can just right click on it and save it, but we are going to just copy the link from here and use wget to download it. So I'm just gonna move into my directory where I want to work, and I'm gonna use a wget to download our file and just hit enter. So it shows that we are able to download this file, but we are going to make sure by doing ls in our current directory, and here is that file. Now I'm going to start a Wireshark and load this file into our Wireshark. So just open a new tab and just start Wireshark. Now just load the file or open the file. It's just gonna do open. Go to that folder, and mine is forensics. This one over here, and open up. And the first thing we are going to look at is SMTP first response. That service is ready. So just click over here. and then click on simple mail transfer protocol. And you can see over here the service is ready. So that indicates that device is running an SMTP server and is ready to receive email messages. And we have some additional information like over here uh, about the server, and warning that the server does not authorize the use of its system to send unsolicited or bulk emails and things like that. Now we are going to look for a username and password. So let's do that. Let's close this thing. And you can see the section start from here, auth, login, and up to here, authentication succeeded. And this is like a username and its value. And here is the pass and its value. So username and password are base 64 encoded. Uh, so we're going to learn what is base 64 encoding. So base 64 encoding is a way to represent binary data in a text format. It is often used in email messages, HTML pages, and other type of text-based communication to transfer binary data such as images, audio files, or other type of non-text data. We can write a simple Python script to encode and decode base 64 to text. So right now we are interested in decoding. So we're just going to write that one over here. So decode username and password. So let's go open our Visual Code. And it's just a very basic and simple script. First, we need to have base 64 text. And here will be our encoded text, the value of this text base 64. I'm just going to copy after I'm done with this script. So now we are going to decode base 64 encoded text to ASCII. ASCII. Base 64 base 64 decode, and we are going to pass in text base 64 text, and then we are going to call its function decode. And this will be UTF-8. And now we just going to print the decoded ASCII text to the console. So we're just gonna do print passing ASCII task and just run our code. So before running, we need to copy the key over here, the text. And let's go to the text. We are going to copy the username. Just click on it. This is the one. Copy value. go back to our code, and let's see if we can paste over here. And now try to run the code. We get the decoded value of that text, so we can see the email in a plain text. So let's try to do with the password too. Let's see. Mm, Password, copy value, go back to ID. And here is the password in plain text. So there is a way in a Wireshark to do this too. Also decode it from Wireshark instead of using external Python script. Y- You need to just click on right click on a user. Let's see, where is our user here? Right click on it, go to protocol preference, and simple and then here we need to do simple mail transfer protocol selection, and let's scroll up a bit. So we are here, protocol preference, simple mail transfer protocol, and then you can see over here decode base64 encoded auth parameters. Just click on it and you are able to see the user name's value as plain text and also the password. And there are more information such as auth login, this one, and then we are going to uh, look at, we already have username and password. Now we are going to see email content. So we can go here. Let's do SMTP. This one. And over here, you need to click on a simple mail transport protocol. And you can all, we already did that. So you can click on internet message format. So it's over here. One of the important point to note is that you can also see email client. Over here you can see Microsoft Office Outlook and its version. And now we are going to look at the content of an email. Just click over here, multi-part media encapsulation. Make this here, and then here encapsulated multi-part, and then we are going to look at and underneath encapsulated multi-part you can see line-based text data. So just click on this one and you will be able to see the email message, the content of email. So there are three parts. You can see over here. This one is the first one, second, and this is the third one. We can also show email content uh, by following TCP. So let's try this one. So we are going to follow TCP stream. Let's close this one, and the data over here, just right click on it and then go to follow TCP stream, and you can see the content of the email. So this way you can do the email traffic forensic. So it is useful if you're learning about forensics, digital forensics, or cybersecurity. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Awesome, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.